Hello and welcome to my Carolina homestead. My name is Michelle and today I'm making this delicious broccoli cheddar and turkey bacon quiche. This is a low carb option made with an almond flour crust. It's absolutely delicious and it's just a warm, delicious comfort food for this time of the year. Before we begin, I want to thank today's sponsor, Asoko, for sending us this under cabinet LED task light to try out in our kitchen. This light is 15.7 inches long and it's an LED motion sensor light. It's very lightweight and it comes with a charging cable, a power cube, and 2 additional adhesive patches for mounting. This light is hardware free, so that makes it perfect for renters because you just attach it with the adhesive patches and you're ready to go. The Asoko under cabinet light strip is rechargeable, so you don't have to leave it corded. You can charge it and then store your cord away. This light has 2 modes. You can turn it on and it will stay on, or you can put it on auto and that activates the motion sensor. This light is dimmable with the press of this little button, which makes it very versatile in your work area. When you have the switch turned to auto, this little dome right here is your motion sensor. So when it is covered or when it detects motion, it will automatically turn on and stay on for about 25 seconds. Now I'm just going to install this in my work area and see if it improves the lighting here so we can use this as our cutting board area. Wow, that makes a huge difference. So I want to thank our friends at Asoko for sending us this under cabinet lighting. We're going to use it, we love it, and don't forget to visit the description box to find the Amazon link and the 15% discount code for this under cabinet lighting. Let's get started on our quiche. So what I've done is I've already buttered my pie dish and that's ready to go. So now I'm just going to make the almond flour crust. I'm starting with 2.5 cups of almond flour. And this is 1/2 stick butter that's chopped, and I'm going to get this melted. If you don't want to use butter, you can substitute coconut oil for butter. Now I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of Celtic sea salt into the almond flour and stirring that to combine well. Now I'm going to add 1 large egg to the almond flour. You could substitute this egg by using butter or coconut oil. And now I'm going to add that 1/2 stick of melted butter. Now I'm just going to use a spatula to combine until this dough comes together. Once all the ingredients have been combined, your dough should look like this. Now you're ready to press it into your pie dish. Remember to make sure you've buttered your pie dish really well. I've preheated my oven to 350 degrees and now I'm going to bake this pie crust at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. The timing will depend on your oven, so until the edges are lightly golden brown. Now I'm going to prepare the filling by starting with uncured turkey bacon. Here I have 7 slices and I'm just going to get this chopped up and set to the side. And this is the finished pie crust, so I'm going to set this aside and continue on with the filling. Here I have my skillet on medium heat, and now I've added about a tablespoon of ghee because now I'm going to saute my vegetables. So I'm just adding my broccoli to the skillet and I'm going to let this go for about 5 to 6 minutes. Next I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of chopped mushrooms. You can add whatever you want to your quiche filling, so I'm just kind of emptying out the refrigerator. Next I'm going to add some sweet onion. I'll probably add close to 2 tablespoons of that. And I'll add about the same amount of green bell pepper. All my vegetables are sauteed and cooked down, and I've transferred them into a glass bowl so that I can add the turkey bacon to the skillet and brown that up really quick. Now that the bacon's browned, I'm just going to remove it from the heat and clean up my work area, and I'll meet you right back here. Now I'm going to add 5 large eggs into a bowl and whisk them together very well. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of heavy cream to this. You can use half and half if you prefer, and I'm just going to combine this in with the eggs. Next I'm adding 3/4 of a teaspoon of sea salt to the mixture, and I'm just going to whisk that in to combine. Next I'm adding about 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and you can use pepper to taste. I've added the turkey bacon to my vegetables and stirred that up, and now I'm just going to add a little bit of fresh grated Parmesan cheese to this just to give it a little bit of a nutty flavor. Now I'm just going to stir this together and then add it to my pre-baked almond flour pie crust. Now I'm adding a little bit of red pepper flake here. This is obviously optional, but we do like our food a little spicy. And then next I'm just going to pour the egg mixture in over the ingredients and let that settle. I'm just going to give it a little jiggle, and now it's time to add the cheese to the top. Here I have a little over 1 cup of shredded extra sharp white cheddar cheese, but you can use any cheese that you prefer. So just top your quiche until it is completely covered with cheese, and this is going to brown up and melt nicely. Now this quiche is ready for the oven. So I've got this preheated for 350 degrees, and I'm going to put this quiche in for 35 to 40 minutes. If you're concerned about the edges of your pie crust getting too brown during the baking process, at about the halfway point you can cover your quiche with foil, and that will keep your edges from getting dark. The quiche is out of the oven and it's nice and golden brown. It's time to slice this up and give it a try. This quiche was so delicious. I hope you guys give it a try. If you do, please leave me a comment down below and let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you so much for stopping by my Carolina homestead and spending some time with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click that notification bell for more videos coming soon. And don't forget to visit the description box and check out that 15% discount for the Asoko under cabinet LED lighting. See you next time, and take care.